The first thing we gotta do is to add 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator to the chart. This will make it easier to spot price momentums. So once we've added the indicator, we need to customize its settings. So head over to its settings and change the method to SMA. Then change the period to 140. Next, change the color however you want. You can also make the line thicker to make it easier to see. Once we have the indicator customized, it will show us whether prices are trending up or down. Candles forming above the moving average indicates an upward trend, meaning the prices are moving higher. Conversely, candles forming below the moving average signal a downward trend where prices are heading lower. Next, we'll add the wave trend oscillator indicator to provide us with more insight into trends. After adding the indicator, we should adjust the histogram smoothing to 5 and the histogram multiplier to 3 to improve the indicator accuracy. Then in the Style tab, disable everything except the histogram and set the histogram color as in the video. The histogram generated by the indicator can help us identify stronger signals, so we should only enter long trades when the histogram is green and above 0, since that indicates an upward strength of trend. And vice versa, we should only enter short trades when the histogram is red and below 0, since that indicates downward strength of trend. Meanwhile, a white histogram means we should avoid trading because the signal is weak. The last indicator we need is the trend trader indicator. This indicator will give us trade signals. In the settings, we should change the trend trader color from the Style tab. Then from the Inputs tab, set the length to 25 and the multiplier to 3 to properly configure the indicator. Now that we've configured all the necessary indicators including Trend Trader, we just need to follow the entry and risk management rules to become a profitable trader. So to enter a sell trade, a candle needs to close below the Trend Trader indicator representing a breakout. Then the WTO indicator needs to confirm the sell signal by turning red. Note that if the histogram is white, we should not take the trade signal. Next, we need to check that the price action is below the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator to ensure we're not trading against the market trend. Once all these conditions are met, the sell signal is confirmed and we can enter the short trade at the close price of the signal candle. And for the stop loss, we have two options. We can set the stop loss on recent swing highs, or we can set it on the trend trader indicator line. And finally, for a trade exit, consider a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And to enter a buy trade, a candle needs to close above the trend trader indicator, representing a breakout. Then the WTO indicator needs to confirm the buy signal by turning green. And just like the sell trade, note that if the histogram is white, stop trading. And in the next step, we need to check the price action is above the 10 and 1 different moving averages, indicating an upward momentum. So once all these conditions are met, the buy signal is confirmed and we can enter the long trade at the close of the signal candle. And immediately after entering a trade, set the stop loss. But for the stop loss, we have two options. We can set the stop loss on the recent swing lows, or we can set it on the trend trader indicator line. Finally, for trade exit, consider a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. But if you need to learn a strategy that will prevent you from being a losing trader anymore, you shouldn't miss this video.